What is up, you guys? Welcome to another video. We are finally back with Leprechaun, and today we are headed to the auto show. We are bringing the brand new GT3 and the M6 to downtown Toronto with MTR Racing and Leprechaun. We're gonna fuel up the cars and we're gonna head downtown. It's been a long time since we did a video. It's been like 12 days or whatever. Crazy long time. I've been sick, haven't been feeling absolutely perfect, but we are finally back in the cars, feeling great. We are gonna go for a nice little drive, get downtown, and bring the cars inside. That is gonna be a lot of fun. Got the plate for safety, all good. Got the beautiful GT3 with white seat belts. Absolutely phenomenal car. We're gonna have a nice little drive. It's got the roll cage. It's even got the camera, which is super cool. Very nice and smooth. Feeling great. Carbon seats. Where is it? Where's the carbon? Bam, carbon seats. Beautiful. Can't wait to go for this nice little drive. Got our Gatorade. Yo, this is gonna be a lot of fun. We are gonna get going. It doesn't have heated seats because it's literally a race car. So let's get on over to the drive and get downtown to the MTCC. We are currently up in Vaughan. I will see you guys on the road. Here we go. Porsche. All right, and let's jump on the 407. Got the M6, X5, and the GT3. This car handles pretty interestingly. Definitely set up for the track and not the street, that's for sure. Oh. Wow. Okay, it handles absolutely horribly on the highway, but we'll take it. Oh, that sound. Guys, this is the official POV Drive of the GT3. Very nice. Wow. Okay. It is definitely going all over the road. Wow. Okay, it sounds pretty cool. I'll admit that. Oh, that 6-cylinder sounds so nice. Wow. What a beautiful sound. Absolutely phenomenal. Wow, it is definitely not set up for the highway. Wow. Yo, I literally, like, just the slightest turn of the wheel, it is almost instant feeling for the turning of the car. Like, I'm barely moving the steering wheel. Wow, that is very interesting. Wow, oh my god, that sound, just absolutely phenomenal. Let's catch up to our boys. Leprechaun. Hoorah. That sound, jeez, absolutely phenomenal. Active exhaust is the best thing ever. Oh, there we go, downshift. Wow, on the bumps. Feels so weird. Woohoo! G-Wagon. Oh my, even when I accelerate just very slightly in 7th gear, which is pretty much like no torque, it is like wheeling, like it's like pulling left and right. So this car is definitely set up for the track. So good on M-Tech Racing. They did an amazing setup. Absolutely phenomenal. Props to them. Can't say anything. Okay, let's catch up. Whoa. Oh, that sound. My goodness. Alright guys, here we go. We're gonna jump onto the 404 and then probably hit some Don Valley parking lot traffic. Honda's flying. Yo, this is whoa. This car carries like left and right, so weird. The camber is set up so strange. Oh my god, this seat feels so nice. Oh, and the brakes are so soft, but so good at the same time. Woo! Love it. All right, let's do one last little acceleration onto the ramp. Woo! Yo, this car pulls, guys. This is an amazing platform. New GT3, 10 out of 10. Love it. All right, guys, we're gonna enjoy the drive. I'll see you guys downtown. Peace. Hey, yo, guys, GT3 in 3, 2, 1. What? Let's go. Oh my god, I can barely hold the phone. Let's go. What is up, you guys? Welcome to downtown Toronto. Woo! We are underneath the Gardner, ripping in the GT3. Sounds absolutely phenomenal. Wow, what a monster car, yo. Absolutely nice. Soft limiter? That's it? Well, that's boring, bro. Soft limiter, man. Oh my. Soft limiter on the GT3. Come on. How is that appropriate for downtown Toronto, man? Not cool. Oh boy. Let's switch it back into automatic mode. Beautiful. Max's M6. Absolutely phenomenal. Let's go. Okay, I think that's enough. There's a lot of construction, a lot of bad roads, but we made it. We're good. We're about to hit up Lower Simcoe, Convention Center South, jump inside. We're right over there. That's our entrance right there. Bam. Right there, you can kind of see it. All right, I think that's it. GT3, what an amazing drive. Absolutely beautiful. I didn't film a lot because I just wanted to enjoy the car, but wow, what an amazing piece of machine. Very well built. Okay guys, I will see you all inside. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the underground of the auto show. Wow, we're in the Porsche GT3 MTR powered, MTR forged. We're about to drive in, literally right into the auto show. Boom. Here we go. This is gonna be a lot of fun. Absolutely beautiful. All right, let's get the Porsche into there. Here we go. Okay, so correction, we're actually not gonna bring the GT3 in initially. We will first do a nice little review of the car. Definitely set up for the track. Got gigantic gyros and endless pads. Crazy camber setup, because look at this. See the bottom of the wheel first. Yeah, Very nice. Team MTech. MTR Racing, guys. Phenomenal car. Mad GT3. FAF Reserve. Wow. Very, very nice. This is a crazy wing that they put on it. So it's pretty much exactly the same color. Oh yeah, it is the same color as the car. Wow. Roll cage. Yo, exhaust. Okay, cool, cool. Very nice. Roll cage. Yep. You get the inside. Fire extinguisher. GT3. Carbon seats. Hell yeah. Alright, most likely we're going to be taking this upstairs, but for now, it stays here. Be right back, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, and just like that, welcome to the Toronto International Auto Show. Let's go. Here we are. Beautiful. Alright, we'll get everything set up. But in the meanwhile, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Peace.